Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are safe and doing good. Now that going out and watching a movie seems like an act in different era. Obviously our OTT screen time has increased significantly. Practically it has become few of the rare source of our entertainment in difficult times for the fortunate ones who are able to stay indoors. In search of good content, we keep flipping around multiple platforms. Sometimes we get disappointed with the expectations from the so-called expected ones, and sometimes find a hidden gem where we least expect it. Thought of sharing few of the content which we liked in last couple of months. No ordering though, it's just the contents which we liked in case someone might find it interesting to watch. First in my list is a realistic Malayalam thriller, Nayattu. Nayattu means in Malayalam, The Hunt. A gripping tale of three police officers being chased by the invincible system itself. But the sole reason this social thriller is in my list is because of its as it happens in real life ending, which lets the viewers confront the bitter truth of our system. A thought-provoking social thriller by Martin Parkett, a must-watch, available in Netflix India. Next one in our list is Sir, another one from Netflix India. We have seen many rich boy, poor girl love story in movies, but we can hardly remember anything with such abundance of mutual respect and admiration for each other, despite separated by huge socio-economical boundary. A subtle-most love story between an in-house servant and her well-established employer. Tilottama Som as Ratna delivers one of the finest performances we can remember for long. If you have ever thought, is love enough? You must watch this. Next one in our list are part of the anthology Ajib Dastans, precisely the last two, Gillipuchi and Ankahi. In Gillipuchi, Neeraj Ghawan brilliantly portrays a two-layered story of friendship in one hand and a cold-hearted social revenge on the other hand at the backdrop of social discrimination. Kankana and Aditi's as usual lights up the screen. Ankahi on the other hand, a beautiful, touching, silently subtle yet powerful love story with a touch of guilt. Shefali Shah and Manav Kaul created pure magic on Ankahi screen. Hats off to Kayuzi Irani for painting the moments without a single word spoken. Available on Netflix India. Next in our list is another Malayalam movie, The Great Indian Kitchen from Amazon Prime. It was a suggestion from one of my good old friend and it was a worthy one. We strongly urge this movie as couple to watch together as a mandatory course, a prerequisite before marriage. Hats off to Jio Baby for portraying such a minute horrors of the daily chores inside the Indian kitchen in such a delicate and subtle-most way. It haunts where it needed the most and the impression lasts long, really long. Next one we had was from Netflix India, Ramprasad Ki Tervi. The stellar cast of the movie Supriya Pathak, Vinay Pathak, Vikrant Masai, Kankana, Parambroto, under same roof brought us towards it, and we were not disappointed. The meaning of life unfolds through series of incidents and realizations as a family gathers for 13-day mourning of their father. The sole reason this movie is our list is because of its non-cliche inspiring ending, which opens up door for life at the end of grief.
All the seasons flying by, but I'm not afraid of the time.
Next, we would like to keep TVA Presents Aspirants on our list. This series touched our heart because the way it handles failure, realistic yet with full of empathy. The lead characters Avilash, Guri, SK, Dhairya and Sandeep Bhaiya are the key essence of this series with their shades of failures and the maturity to handle it. Go for it. It's on YouTube.
Life we're living, it's just a time we're killing. No ground, I am home again.
The next one in our list is surprisingly less talked about. A Simple Murder in Sunnyleaf. If you love thriller, dark comedy with a gripping storytelling, go for it. We were pleasantly surprised by the character building of this series, and likes of Jishan Ayub, Amit Sial does the true justice to it. If we have to be honest, we watched it around 6 months back, but still wanted to keep it in our list. It's Panchayat from Amazon Prime. We really liked simplicity in the crisp storytelling of this series. Also, taste and smell rural India was all over the series with series of small incidents which kept us glued. It's a definite watch for the brilliant performances from Jitendra Kumar, Chandan Bose, Raghubir Yadav and Neena Gupta. If you have not yet, please watch it. In case you have already watched all of it or few of it, would be happy to hear your reaction, or else please watch and let me know your feedback in comment section. Stay safe and get jabbed if not already.